How to fix Microsoft Teams error code 503 on Windows 11. 1. Quit then rerun Microsoft Teams. 2. Check then troubleshoot your internet connection. 3. Run Microsoft Teams with administrative right. 4. Reset your Windows credentials by deleting Microsoft Teams related items in Control Panel. 5. Turn off your antivirus. 6. Update the network driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Clear Microsoft Teams cache by resetting the update. Clear the DNS cache by IP protocol configuration. /flushings command. 9. Run an SFC scan. 10. Reinstall Microsoft Teams.